Alt-R. This meeting is being recorded. Leaving menus. Desmos.
Hi, it's Dr. Robinson, and today I'm going to show you how to type out logs or logarithms in Desmos Graphing Calculator. Let me make sure I am where I need to be, so I'm just going to do an insert T.
Title is Desmos Graphing Calculator Microsoft Edge Personal. Desmos Graphing Calculator.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and hit E for edit.
Graphing to top. Expression 1 edit contains text.
And of course, I'm going to hit enter for forms mode on. But before I go there, if you're in a class, if you're a blind student and you're in class, all the kids, if you're visual, you can actually look all the way down the bottom left-hand corner. There's a little keyboard there. All the sighted kids are going to be using that. They're going to be clicking with their mouse. And there's a good chance that the sighted teacher might say, hey, can you please get down to that, keyboard? That's not the way we do it. We type in all of the math, and that's how we get our graphs. So let's go ahead and type our first log. We're going to keep it nice and simple with just a y equals log x.
There are no glance highlights on this page.
Right, enter.
Enter. Expression 1. Edit. Desmos Graphing Calculator.
Okay, I thought I had done that. So if you don't hear that you're trying to type and you don't hear what you need to hear, E for edit, enter for forms mode on so you can actually type.
Y equals L O G G.
Okay. Now, if
Y equals function log requires an arg.
if you're doing just a regular log, you can do a
space X. Y equals log X.
I can tell you that's going to eventually cause issues, and you will need to use parentheses around it. If it's just a basic log like that, it actually works. Of course, it makes a beautiful curve within the bottom part of quadrant 1 and write down your axis. Okay, let's go ahead and continue and hit enter.
Enter. Expression 2. Edit. Type in text.
Get a little more challenging.
Y equals.
Make sure you
Y equals you need something on both sides.
Yep, we know that. And of course, JAWS is always going to tell us we need something more. So
L N left parent X right parent right parenthesis Y equals natural log left parenthesis X right parenthesis has graph to audio trace. Press Alt T.
And we know Alt T. But anyway, natural log. And this is, of course, where you must go ahead and put that X in parentheses. So if you want to just stay safe, go ahead and add those parens in there. Enter.
Enter. Expression 3. Edit. Type in text.
Okay, the next thing is you're going to need to do some subscripts in here. So let's go ahead and do that.
Y equals L O G G.
Okay, to do subscript,
Y equals function.
It's going to be shift dash.
Underline subscript baseline 4. Baseline 4. Y equals
And
log.
you're going to go ahead and hit
space. Baseline.
And escape and tab.
Escape. Desmos Graphing Calculator. Expression.
And that puts you right back into normal, and it takes you out of subscript. And of course, we need to go ahead and add X in there.
Left parent X, right parent space.
And you get another beautiful curved line. Okay, so let's go ahead and deal with fractions. So something like y equals log half x. And of course, the fraction needs to be a subscript, like that beautiful 4 is. Let's go ahead and enter.
Enter. Expression 4. Edit. Type in text. Y equals L O O G G.
Get into your subscript.
Y underline subscript baseline.
And what I've discovered is just putting in decimals works really well. So of course I'm taking that half. I'm going to go ahead and make it a 0.5.
Period 5. Baseline 5. Y escape. Desmos Graphing Calculator. Expression left parent X. Right parent right parenthesis Y space.
And I'm going to hush them up. And of course, we get a totally different curved line. So that is how you do natural logs and logarithms and get those curves beautifully into your graph. And it's just a very simple typing in what you need to type in. Okay, I hope that helped, and we'll talk to you later. And of course, keep sending those how do you do this questions.
Menu, Zoom, Alt Q, end meeting for all.